boys and girls, here is week 2 for our word study. And today our root is graph, which means, or script. Scrib means to write. So let's take a look at Monday. So our sentence says, before I could pick up my medicine from the pharmacy, the doctor had to send in a prescription for me. This told the pharmacist how much to give me. So in my first box here, it says, what does the word prescription mean in this sentence? Well, it means a written paper from a doctor for medicine. And then it says, underline the clues that helped you figure it out. Well, doctor had to send in, because it can only be sent in by a doctor. That gave me a clue. And that it told the pharmacist how much to give me. The next part says, how does the meaning of prescription follow our rule? Well, our rule means to write. And so I said that it was written by the doctor. And then insert or draw a picture that shows the meaning of the word prescription. I found a paper and a pencil that has a little medical symbol. That is Monday.